What one, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Belize, your YouTube dread off one running on to the next because the world won't stop. And I'm back at it again. We're about to install something, as you can tell from the description, these running boards, man. And like I said, it's long deserved for the truck, so we're about to get that installed today. Now they're not new. I bought them off a guy. I believe he's in the military. He had a 17 Ram Black Edition. Looks real nice. But first of all, I want to thank him for his service. You know what I'm saying? Being out there in the forefront and all that. So hats off to him. But like I said, man, hope you guys are enjoying this beautiful Sunday morning, man. But as you can see, I got my tools here. Got the running boards that I already pre-set up. Got my screws, my gloves, my Loctite, you know, all that good stuff that is needed for this installation. Now, I'm gonna have to go ahead and take off these the running boards. I'm gonna have to take the running boards off the brackets so I can put them on my truck because it makes install a little bit easier. So I'm gonna walk you guys through that. You know what I'm saying? You want to make sure it's easy, especially if you're doing it by yourself. You want to install your brackets first, and then you can put your boards on, level it, and all that good stuff. But without further ado, let's get my wife's car out of here and get the truck in the garage if it could fit. We'll see if it fits. Before we get to this install, man, let's get the cold start. Never gets old, man. That never gets old right there. That sounds good. So we got the truck in the garage now, and I'm gonna start on the passenger side. And as you can see, I got, you know, my nuts, screws, bolts, all the little hardware that goes with it on this side, and we have the bar. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna flip this bar, the side step over, and then I'm gonna start loosening the brackets on the other side. So I'm gonna loose all these bolts right here. That way I can start with the bracket and start putting them on. And then, as you can see, I got the towards the front, you're gonna have the short side right there, and then the back side is gonna have the longer side. So I'm gonna flip this over, loosen them out, and get it out. But before we do that, some trucks, let me see if I can get under here. Get the slide on. Now some trucks have these pre-drill holes already, so that's where I'm gonna use these bigger nuts right here. They're gonna go right in there. And for the ones that don't have the pre-drill holes, we already have holes that are cut out. We're gonna take this tape off right here, just drop it down in there, line it up, get it in the hole. And that's gonna be for the middle and for the end down there. So yeah, let's loose these. Ooh, let me get from underneath here. So I'm gonna flip this side step over, and we're gonna start loosening up these bolts, get the bracket off. Some just saws that these brackets, they come labeled, as you can see, Kia passenger front, PC this way, this passenger center, and we got the PR for passenger rear. Also, all the brackets, they come labeled, so that way you don't have to guess if you don't have that manual. side done. As you can see, it's not tight. It's loose. It still can be moved. So you know you're gonna need to adjust it later on. So we're gonna do the same thing for the other two, and I'm gonna show you how to get those. I'm gonna get these ones. Show you how to get these ones in there so you can tighten them up as well. All right. So let's go ahead and peel this tape off right here. Oh, come on. And now we'll slide this down in there. We got all the brackets on. They're not tight, they're loose. We're about to put on a step bar. I'm gonna put that up there, tighten it down, and then I'm gonna start adjusting the brackets to see how far I want it to stick out from the body or how close I want it to be. One side on, as you can see. I think it looks good, man. Yeah, it looks good. But as you can see, I broke this off in there, so that's gonna drive me nuts. It was cross-threaded when I was taking it out, and putting it back in, it seems it just broke off. So I gotta cut that off, and I'm gonna figure out how to get something in there so I could bolt it on down. But we're gonna move on to the next side. Man, there it is, man. As you guys can see, I'm doing a walk around here, but I'm in the garage because it's kind of windy outside. The install's finished. The install's finished. Battery had died on the GoPro for me, so I did the driver's side, you know, off camera. But you know, I like it. It looks pretty cool up there. Like I said, they were used. Bought them for $100 from a guy. You know, got them installed. I didn't have no manuals, so I had to improvise as I went along. The install will probably take you an hour and a half, too, depending. You know, if you have the instruction manual, if you already know what you're doing, you know, it'll be quick and easy. But you know, first time doing it, so I hope you guys like this video, man. The next thing I want to do is my headlights. I did have some aftermarket headlights in there, but I took them out because they start peeling, which I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. These are the ones that I have. As you can see, it start peeling off this little film right here, and I didn't like that, so I took it off. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sand it down, and I'm gonna refinish it. Probably put a clear bra on it, or clear bra or something on it. Probably a smoke tint up there just to protect the lens. Then I'm gonna do another video on that, and then I'm gonna install that back on the truck with some their HID or LED headlights in there. If you guys are new, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. If you're returning, I appreciate it. Thank you for your support. And like I said, stay tuned for the next video. What I'm gonna do with the headlights that I'm gonna install back up here. I'll probably paint the grill black with the plastic dip, see how that looks. But and then eventually swap it out to like a black grill. I just want to do all chrome delete on the truck. So yeah, you know, it's a slow process. You know, like I'm on a budget, so you know I gotta get it when I can. You know, do it when I got the money. I did get that bolt out. So I gotta figure out how to get something in there where I could tread it. You know, put the screw back in there and tread it out real good. But you know what I'm saying, let me know what you guys think about it. Like I said, it's used. You just give the truck a little bit different look, you know, and I like that. My daughter doesn't have to stretch her legs, you know, to get in the truck. So if y'all new to the channel, man, make sure y'all subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you're returning, man, I appreciate it, man. Make sure y'all drop a comment, give us a thumbs up, whatever y'all want to do up there, man. And I'll end this video like I always do. Make sure y'all stay blessed, stay safe. Later.